Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I made this delicious pot of cow intestine pepper soup and I thought to film the process and share my recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this pepper soup recipe. Please sit back and watch to the end. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. First thing is to prep the ingredients needed to prepare this pepper soup. I have my onion. I'm using one large onion for this recipe. I also have some scotch bonnet peppers and I'll blend the peppers roughly. Use as much pepper as you can tolerate. I washed the cow intestine off camera and that took a lot of time. Always make sure that you wash your cow intestine properly before you use it to prepare your pepper soup because it harbors a lot of things that I can't mention here. Harbors a lot, so always ensure that you wash it properly. I'm done washing it and you can see how clean it is. In here I have liver, I have tripe, which is popularly known as towel in Nigeria because of the texture, and some people also call it shake. So I washed them properly and I scraped the towel until it was squeaky clean, until it was looking very white. For seasoning, I added some of the roughly blended peppers, some of the chopped onion. I added seasoning cubes and salt. I also added enough water to cook the meat. Give that a very good stir, cover the pot and I allowed it to cook. I'll let this cook for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I went back to check on it and this is what we have. It's coming on really well, as I expect it to be. I gave it one quick stir and then I added the rest of my ingredients. I added the remaining pepper, chopped onion, seasoning cubes, crayfish powder, my peppersoup spices, which is a mix of different local spices like ehuru, calabash, nutmeg, ginger, and the rest. I added everything together, gave that a very good stir, covered the pot, and I continued to cook. If you're new to the channel, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing family. I promise you, you're going to love it here and subscription is absolutely free. Please hit on the subscribe button to be a part of us. Thank you. While my pepper soup is cooking nicely, I'll proceed to prepare the rest of my ingredients. Here I have yam and I'll be adding this into the pepper soup. This is totally optional, but I just want to add it, so feel free to omit this when making yours. I'll cut the yam, peel, and then proceed to slice it up into tiny cubes. This is how I want it. So feel free to remove this if you don't want it. I want to say a very big thank you to all my amazing and returning subscribers. You all are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I know you love it here and you all mean a lot to me. Thank you for liking, sharing, and leaving me beautiful comments in the comment section. I see them all and I truly appreciate. This is 15 minutes later and I'm going in with my diced yam. After adding the yam, I'll stir properly to combine and I'll let it cook until it becomes soft. For short videos, please check out my YouTube shorts, Facebook reels, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. I have videos that are a minute long or less on these platforms and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. So please search for Oge Anyoko on TikTok, Oge_Anyoko on Facebook and on Instagram. Please do well to follow my pages, watch my videos, like, and leave me beautiful comments in the comments section. Thank you. My vegetable of choice for this pepper soup recipe is scent leaf, and this is what scent leaf looks like. So I've washed it properly off camera and I'm slicing it up. Feel free to use any vegetable of choice for your pepper soup. If you don't like scent leaf, you can use otazi. 7 minutes later, this is what our pot of pepper soup is looking like. It smells amazing inside my kitchen. And this pot of pepper soup is almost ready. It is like 95% cooked. I just have to add in my scent leaf. So I'll add in my scent leaf, give that a good stir, and I'll let it simmer for about 2 minutes. I only add vegetables into my meals when the food is almost ready. And once added, I try not to cook for a long time so as not to kill the nutrients in the vegetables. 2 minutes, it's okay so as not to kill nutrients in your vegetables. After about 2 minutes, I present to you this delicious pot of pepper soup. The aroma is something else, like it smells really nice inside my kitchen. This pot of goodness looks absolutely delicious. It tastes delicious and it smells amazing. It's time to dish this yumminess into my plates. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends. Leave me your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. I know you will love it here, and subscription is absolutely free. Thank you all for stopping by, and I would like to see you all on my next one. Bye.